Good morning, children. Welcome to class 3 English 2. Today we will learn a new chapter, chapter 10, The Bird. So in this chapter we will learn the story of a bird. All of you love birds, right? Do you love to catch birds or trap birds? No, right? Because catching or trapping birds is not a good quality. Birds are also living things, living beings, and like human beings, they also needs freedom. Okay, so we don't trap or catch the birds. Let it fly. Okay, so here a story of a bird and a boy, Saroja. Saroja was a Russian boy, and this story is in the form of a play. That means two characters are there, Saroja and his mother. Then one narrator is also there. Narrator means the storyteller. Okay, one who describes or explains the story is known as the narrator. And one narrator explains the story. Then Saroja and his mother conversation is given here. Okay, I will read the story. So the narrator is saying that it was Saroja's birthday. He received different kinds of gifts such as pet tops, hobby horses and pictures. But Saroja praised the gift his uncle gave him the most, a trap for snaring birds. So Saroja was a Russian boy and it was his birthday and he got so many gifts. But he liked a gift, that is a trap for snaring birds, that is gifted by his uncle, that he liked the most. Okay, which gift he liked most? A trap for snaring birds. Snaring birds means catching birds, trapping birds. Okay, and what was the condition of this trap? This is how the trap worked. A board was fitted to frame and shut down on the top, and a board at the bottom and a shut down on the top. After scattering seeds on the board, after scattering some seeds or dana on the board, it had to be kept out the yard in the ground. Then little bird would naturally or automatically fly down and hop on the board. Then automatically the board would turn over and trap would shut with a clap. With a clap, the trap would shut and the birds will trapped in the trap. Okay, so this was the working condition of this system of this trap. Okay, then Saroja liked this gift very much and he was very happy, and he was delighted means very happy. And with this trap he ran into the house to show this gift to his mother. Saroja said, "Mother, look what uncle gave me. I can trap birds now. Look at this gift. This is gifted by uncle, and now I can trap the birds now." Then what did the mother say? Mother, I am not pleased with this plaything. Why do you want to trap birds and torture the poor things? Beta, I am not pleased. I am not happy with these playthings. Why do you want to trap the birds and torture the poor things? Don't torture the poor things. Why do you want to trap the birds? Don't torture the poor birds. Then Saroja said, Mother, I will catch birds and put them in a cage. Then I will feed them and they will sing for me. Mother, I will catch the birds and I will put it in the cage and I will give it food. I will give it to food. And these birds sing for me and I will take care. Then narrator, again the storyteller saying, Saroja excitedly got some seeds and scattered them on the board. He set the trap in the garden. He waited quietly for the birds to fly down and peck the seeds. But the birds were scared because Saroja was beside the trap and they did not come near it. After a while, Saroja ran inside to eat his dinner. When Saroja returned after the dinner, a little bird was caught in the trap. It was beating against the bars, wanting to fly out. Saroja took the bird out and carried it inside his house. What happened? Saroja put some seeds in it and he kept the trap outside the garden, and he waited sometimes, but no birds come near because Saroja was sitting near the trap. When he ran inside the house to eat dinner, that time, after the dinner, when he returned, a little bird was caught or trapped in the trap and was beating against the bars, wanting to fly out. It was trapped and it was beating his wings against the bars. That means this bird wanted to fly outside, but it was trapped. Unfortunately, it was trapped. Saroja took the bird out and carried it inside the house. Then, next scene, Saroja saying, "Look, mother, I have caught a bird. I can hear its heart beating now. I think it's a nightingale." Mother, look, I have caught a bird and I can hear its heart beating now. It's a nightingale. I think it is a nightingale. But mother said, "Oh, it's a wild canary." No, it's not a nightingale. It's a wild canary. Saroja, do be careful and don't hurt the bird. Please let it fly away. Better, please let it fly away. Let it fly away. Or if you are keeping it, please be careful and do not hurt the bird. Then Saroja said, "Mother, I am not going to let it go. No, I will not send it free. I will give it something to eat and drink. I will take care of it. I will give it food and drink. Water also I will give." Then the narrator, storyteller again saying, Saroja placed the bird gently in a cage. For 2 whole days he cared for the bird. He gave it seeds to eat and water to drink. He also cleaned the cage. On the third day, Saroja forgot about the bird and did not change the water. So what happened? First 2 days, Saroja cared this bird very much. That means gave it food, water, everything. But the third day, he forgot to take it, and he did not change the. He forgot to change the water. Okay, even change the water. Then mother saying, Saroja, you have already forgotten your bird friend. Just let it go. Now you forgotten your bird, and just let it go. Just let it go away. Okay. Then narrator is saying, Saroja thrust his hand in the cage and cleaned it. Then when he heard his mother's voice, that time he cleaned the cage. Then the little bird fluttered its wings in fright. That time this little bird moved with fright. That means darki mare, this little bird fluttered its wings. And after cleaning the cage, Saroja went to get some water. Saroja went to fetch some water. His mother saw that Saroja had forgotten to shut the cage door, and she called out to him. So that time when he went to take some water, he forgot to shut the door. So mother said, Saroja, shut the cage or your bird friend will try to fly out and get hurt. Saroja, the cage is open, the door's cage is open, and if you are not closing the door, the bird will try to fly outside and it become hurt. It get hurt. So the narrator is saying, as soon as Saroja's mother had said those words, the little bird found the door. The little bird found the door was open. It was delighted. It became very happy to find the cage open. The little bird spread its wings, flew around the room towards the window and hurt itself. When it tried to go outside, when it tried to escape, what happened? Its body hit the bars of the cage and it hurt itself. Chot lag gayi. Okay. Then Saroja came running and picked up the bird and put it back in the cage. Saroja jaldi bhaag ke aaya and put this bird and back in the cage. The bird lay on its breast with its wings spread out. It become hurt. It get hurt. So it got hurt. So what happened? The bird lay on its breast with its wings spread out. Breathing heavily, Saroja started to cry. The bird get hurt and it could not take the breath properly. Saroja said to his mother, "Mother, what should I do now? What can I do now? Look, the condition of the bird. It has breathing problem. Very hardly, very difficulty. Breathing heavily. Then mother, there's nothing you can do. Now you cannot do anything. Okay." Then the narrator is saying, Saroja sat by the cage all the day and kept looking at the bird. The bird lay on its breast, breathing hard. So it got hurt and it could not take its breath properly, and it was Saroja's bedtime. The bird was dead. Then at last, after taking hard breath, the bird was dead. So Saroja could not sleep for a long time. Saroja was very much sad. So his bedtime, sleeping time, he could not sleep for a long time, because when he shut his eyes, he could see the bird lying and breathing fast. The last moment of the last condition, okay, the bad condition of the bird, that memories of the bird was haunting him. And in the morning, Saroja went towards the cage. He saw the bird lying stiff on its back. That time the bird could not move. That means it was dead. Okay, it was dead and it became stiff. After that day, the Saroja never trapped the bird again. That means Saroja, after that day, he never trapped the bird again. So trapping of bird is a very bad quality. Okay, when we trap birds, we have to take care of it. If we forget to take care of it, what happened? This leads to this type of conditions. That means it began to the bird will try to fly outside, and it become hurt. Okay, so at last that bird died. No, it was a poor bird. No, it also wants freedom, but Saroja did not give it freedom. At last he understood his mistake and he became very sad. Okay, so trapping of bird is not a good quality. Don't trap the bird. Don't try to catch the birds and trap the birds. Okay, don't torture the poor things. Clear, all of you? Okay, so read this lesson 2-3 times. At least 3 times you read this lesson and understand the word meanings. Some words with meanings are given at the bottom of the page. I will read the words. Prized, meaning valued a lot. Snaring, trapping. Delighted means very happy. Torture means to cause a lot of pain. Thrust means to push against something. Fluttered means to move or flap quickly. Stiff means hard, not moving. Okay, so these words with the meanings you have to write in your copy, class work copy. Clear, all of you? And the next portions, the exercise and question answer, I will explain in the next video. Okay, bye.